My people, assalamu alaikum, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from, or depends on the time you are watching this video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Safi Hello from East Africa, Kenya. So I am back, my people. I am back as I have never left. Yesterday midnight I did a live stream and I explained why I haven't posted video for so long, for a month plus. So today I'm back with a special video. I'm going to make a special beverage here, which is our community's best beverage. Guys, this beverage usually we prepare for visitors whenever they come home at whatever time, even if it's 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 10 p.m. Anytime we have to prepare this beverage for him or her. That's a way of welcoming him or her. So this is a special village beverage and it's a tea. Guys, in our community we really value tea. When you receive a visitor and you didn't prepare tea for him or her, it means you didn't welcome them. So today I'm going to show you how we prepare a special tea. So in this tea we usually add some ginger, we call it hiliki, cardamom, cinnamon, mdalasini. So we add all those things and we say, there's a Swahili saying which says our motto ni moto. I don't know how to translate it. Is medicine for fire is fire. So even if the weather is very hot or the sun is very hot, it's 2 p.m. or 1 p.m. when a visitor comes to your place, you have to prepare for him or her. So please keep watching the video till the end. Subscribe, like and share. Also go and watch my yesterday's live stream and the previous videos. Please subscribe, like my videos and comment. Ask me any question, I will answer. So I don't usually do cooking videos, but I show you a village lifestyle. So let's prepare the special tea. This is a morning breakfast tea. I'm going to prepare it as a breakfast, but we usually prepare it for our visitors also. So let's start. I have a pot which I'll be using. So let me rinse it. I'll be using the gas to cook the tea. So let me light it. I'll be using these spices. Guys, this is ginger. Then this is cardamom. Then I have a small of cinnamon here. So I'll pound it here. enough. So this is the mixture. Let me add it here. Then let me add sugar. Let me add sugar. Then I'll add milk. This is the milk. This milk, I'll add milk. Let me now add tea leaves. So this is the tea leaf. So we leave it to boil. So let it boil. Our tea is boiling. Our tea is now ready. Let me sieve it here. See my people, the cinnamon, the cardamom is here, and tea leaf. My tea is now ready. My tea is ready. Let me serve. This is the special tea. See my people, special tea. Let me wash my hands. See our cat. The other one is there, seated. So this is the special breakfast here in our village with donuts. So let's eat. This is how we serve our visitor with special tea. That's how we prepare our tea. That's our breakfast, and also for welcoming our visitors. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Leave a comment in the comment section, and put the notification bell on. My people, put the notification bell on so that you can be notified when I post a video. So that is it. Special tea for your visitors. There's no drinks like juice here. When you come to our community, they'll start preparing for you that tea. That is it. Bye.